I want to show you how to use and set up the AudiobookShelf server in Little Ape Audio Books. To start, we'll want to go to Settings, and then in Settings, we go to Cloud Authorization. Here, obviously, you'll see Dropbox and Google are two different options you can authorize. For AudiobookShelf, we will put in your full AudiobookShelf server URL, so HTTPS. And then we need our username and our password. And then click Login. And when it logs in, you'll be presented with all of your libraries, and you can choose which one to make active. If you ever want to switch and use a different library, you need to come back to Cloud Authorizations and just choose the library that you want to be active. We will stick with our Little Ape library. Now, when we go back to Home, we click on our Headphones plus icon in the corner. We're presented with our Add Audio options, and AudiobookShelf will now be open. When we click on it for the first time, it is going to load your full library, so depending on how large it is, it may take a little while to load. Once it's loaded, the ideal way, obviously, is to narrow it down. And there are a couple ways we can narrow it down. One, by searching by title or author. If you have tags or genres set up, you can simply press and hold the Tag and Genres button, and you'll be presented with a list of tags that you can select, or genres. And once selected, you can do multiple genres, but if you select a single one, you can come back and you'll be presented with that single genre. Clear the genre by selecting down below. You're also, if you want to make tags and genre selections in another way, you can go up to the spyglass icon and select your genres and your tags in this way. Or this is also where you'll find your description search. Lastly, if we want to filter or sort these after filtering, for example, if we choose our genre and we choose fiction. Now if we choose to sort, we have a number of options to sort. This is the date added. We could do published year. And we can also choose whether it's ascending or descending. The white check mark inside the black circle indicates that is the selected item. So if I want to search by title, I click on the title. Now if I wanted to change the order to be ascending versus descending, simply come back in and make that selection. There's a few other quick features to show with the AudiobookShelf. If you do have series, they will be listed underneath the book. So if we click on the series, it will take us to all the books in that series. And then if we click on a book, obviously we'll be taken to our book page where we can download that book to listen to. On the book page, we can also mark the book as read. This actually marks it as read inside of AudiobookShelf, whereas the favorite will mark it as a favorite, but that is only being marked in the Little Ape Audiobooks application itself. It is not stored in AudiobookShelf. The other thing we can do, you notice that there is a See All 13 books. If you have an author that has multiple books in your library, once you are at one of the author's books, we can choose to see all of his books. And that will take us back to the main page. Filtering, you can see by author and all of that author's books. Now at this point, we are also filtering by genre. We could choose to turn that off and keep the author on, or we could simply clear the author and now we're back to everything. And that is how we set up AudiobookShelf in Little Ape Audio.